Dance, make a dance. Give me love, make a love. There's no other one above.
Damn, fresh on the bit.
Shawty want $1 million. Say make a wire. Told me to wanna cover my.
What's up everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm back again with another video. Okay, today's video is another Ankara inspired video. I chose to go this route, okay, with this video. Now giving you all this extraness, okay, all this glitterness. This is like sparkling for days. Like, my camera is not carrying how sparkly this thing is right now, but I can see it and I'm just like, oh my god, it's so sparkly. Yeah, so before you leave, please do make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and comment down below, okay? Let me know if you like this look, and let me know what you think. Let me know, give me suggestions, okay? Just talk to me. Let's just talk, okay? Thank you very much for watching my videos, guys, and now get into the video. Bye. Alright, so let's get into business, yo. Are you ready? Okay, good. So we're going in first. We're going to primer our lids with the LA Pro Concealer in Fun as usual. So we're just going in with a flat brush and just priming the lid. Just so we can get a base where our colors can, stick to. I'm just using this brush right here just to blend it out so it can be seamless. Alright, so now that that's done, we're going to go into our Morphe 35B palette. And we're going in with this red color right here. Alright, I'm using this brush. Yeah, this brush is a little bit red right now. That's because I used it for this eye. So I'm using that brush. I'm going into this red color. And then I'm just putting that up in my crease like so. Don't be afraid. It's just color. It's just color. Color is not going to bite you. Just put that in and just make sure you blend it out. Alright, so now what I'm going to do next is I'm going into this burgundy shade right here. And I'm just going to pop that right below the red. Just to intensify the crease, our crease. And I'm using a blending brush from AliExpress. As usual, my favorite place to shop. Can't wait for the day I'm going to start buying expensive brushes. You're going to wait for a long time, okay? Alright, so we're just blending that in. Again, we're just using that color to intensify the color we already got on the lid. So now what we're doing next is we're going to go in to the Morphe 35B palette, and there's a brown shade there that I put on the lid too. Okay, so this brown shade right here, we're gonna pop that up right above the lid just to blend that out a little bit. Just so we don't get any harsh lines. Blend, blend, blend. That's the secret of a slay look, okay? Okay, so after we're done doing that, we're gonna go into this shade right here. It's broken, but forgive me, I'm still gonna use it like that. From the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna use that to highlight my brow bone. Gonna pop in a little bit more there just because I'm extra as hell. Alright, so now we've got that going on. We're going to go ahead and cut the crease. Now, I'm going to speed up this process because, I mean, you guys have seen me cut crease like, what, 10 times? If you haven't seen me cut my crease, go ahead and watch my other videos because anybody got time for that? Alrighty, so I'm cutting my crease today with not my regular brush that I always use because I'm saving that brush for some good time. So I'm cutting my crease today with this small brush right here, and I don't know, I think it's from AliExpress also. It's not any special brush. Into the lid with the same yellow I used on my, the same shade right here that is broken. Make sure you're very careful because you don't want to mess up that crease you just cut. Oh, I like this color. I didn't really see it very well without the light, but it looks very iridescent. That's cute. Cute. Oh my god. Alright, so now that that color is in, I'm just going in with the red that I used, the same red I used for my for my crease earlier. I'm gonna go in with that and just place that right like so. And yes, I'm using the same brush because alright, so now that that's placed in there, remember this is just the base. We're not trying to be all perfect in this, okay? This is just the base for the glitter. You can go ahead and just line it up like this and just be okay and be happy with your life. But based on the fact that I'm extra to the max, I'm going to put glitter on it and make it look sparkly. Sparkly. Yeah, sparkly. Like this one. First of all, I'm going to go in with the gold glitter. Then I'm going to do the red glitter. But first of all, what you need a glitter primer. And the one I've got today is the NYX glitter primer. I'm so excited today. I should be packing, but your girl is not packing nowhere. Tomorrow's my flight. I'm going to be like rushing to get things done, which is very, very not right. Don't be like me. Do not procrastinate. Alright, so I'm just placing that glitter primer all over. Not all over really, just like right where I want the gold to be at for now. Because that's what we're putting in now. So I'm going into my gold glitter. Now, glitter can be very messy, y'all. You know that. Just be careful. No, I'm just pressing that in. I see some people just put glitter right straight on the skin without putting shadow first. I don't know how to do that. I just do what I know. Then this is what I know for now. So, yeah, we're going to stick to this. Alrighty. Just placing that glitter in carefully. Carefully. Like me. Give me the word like me. Oh yeah, and do you guys like my new hair? Not my new hair, my old hair that I revamped again, but do you like it? Alright, so right now I put the glitter primer in and I'm going in with the red glitter. And we're just poking that in. Not poking, like pressing that in carefully, okay? So now because I don't want any line to look like this is where the red glitter ends and this is where the gold glitter ends. I'm just going to go ahead and play with a little bit and try to pull that in. Try to play around with it and just to mix the gold and the red together. Right in the center. I'm so excited to work with red glitter, guys. Like, I've never actually touched a red glitter before. Like, where is this coming from? Like, who's this girl? Where? Like, where are you getting this nerves from? Alright, so for my liner, I'm going to move in close and personal. Alright, so now that the liner is on, we're going to go into this lashes right here. Of course, it's from AliExpress. Where do you think it's going to be from again? Like, where? I feel like they need to give me like a crown from AliExpress because I'd be like, I'm like the constant like regular schmuggler. customer on AliExpress. All right, so before I go in with the lashes, I'm going in with this Maybelline Lash Sensationalicious mascara, and I'm just gonna use that to like pull out mascara on my lashes. Oops. All right. You can barely see my lashes. I don't have lashes for days. Like, all right. So now that I've already done my foundation and I'm just getting all baked and everything, I'm just gonna go into my lip right quick. Before I do that, I'm gonna put highlighter. Right. I'm going with my MAC Gold Deposit. MAC Gold Deposit. It's hidden pan, but I mean, it still does a job. And I'm just gonna buff that right in. So now we're gonna go into the lip we're doing today. We're actually gonna go red. So I've got this two lippy right here, one from Fenty and the other one from Milani. But I'm gonna line my lip first with this lip liner, this Burgundy X lip liner. And all right, so now that that's done, I'm still thinking what lip I want to use. I'm not sure. I've already got enough shine going on, so I'm just gonna go with my Fenty Beauty Okay. And okay, so I'm going in with my waterline. I should have done this before, but I'm gonna do it now. I'm going in with my waterline with this Inglot liner right here. So now I'm just gonna use the mascara to apply mascara to my bottom line. And 1 second.
Yeah, you for there for me. You for there. When the boy they hunger, I for die for you. But you say if you no get money, I hide your face. I hide my face. Make another man picking on my race. I love you, no mean say.
Thank you for watching my video. Before you leave, please make sure you do subscribe, like, and share this video because we're not friends now. If you watch the end of this video, please just make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you. Bye. See you in my next video. Now I know you're just thinking if you need to subscribe or not. Okay, listen, subscribe, okay? Because I know that you don't get charged for doing this, you don't get charged for subscribing, so just click on the button. Okay, so no, let me tell you where it is. You see right there, there's a red button. If it's still red, that's not good. But if it's now gray, yeah, that's just very good. That's just like, yeah, that's just the best. Okay, click on that. Just click on it. Yeah, just do it. Just do it. Thank you. Bye now.